Welcome guys to this tutorial. In this video I walk you through everything related to the session drummer in Logic Pro. So let's dive in. When you add a new track, you can choose the session drummer and pick the genre you want the drum part to follow. After creating the track, you can change the genre at any time. Let's switch from electro trap to modern hip hop. If you turn off the Change Patch button, Logic keeps your current drum sound even when you pick a different genre. The session player also lets you regenerate the drum pattern, though the changes are usually subtle. You can then use the complexity slider to control how dense the groove is. Lower values remove elements and simplify the beat. The intensity slider controls how hard the drummer plays. Lower settings feel softer and more relaxed. In the presets drop-down menu, you can easily change the drum pattern to get a different groove. The session drummer also makes it easy to add or remove different elements of the beat with a single click. You can easily change the pattern for a specific instrument. Last but not least, you can control how the fills are played. By adjusting the slider, you choose whether the fills are simpler or more complex. And you can also add some swing, which helps the drums feel more natural and human. Just don't overdo it. Swing will pull the groove noticeable out of time. If you want to learn more about the session player in Logic Pro, join my Skool community where I teach the process of music production in Logic Pro end to end. Link in the description. In the Details tab, the session player gives you more control over how the drummer performs. The complexity range lets you define the minimum and the maximum complexity the drummer is allowed to use. This way, even when you automate or change complexity in different song sections, the drummer stays within the range you set. The phrase variation slider controls how much the drummer changes up the groove as it plays. Lower settings keep the pattern very steady, while higher settings introduce more small variations, so the performance feels more natural and less repetitive. The Feel knob adjusts the timing of the drummer's performance. Turning it toward push makes the groove sit slightly ahead of the beat, adding energy and drive, while moving it toward pull places hits just behind the beat for more relaxed, laid-back vibe. The Dynamics knob controls how much the drummer varies the strength of each hit. Higher settings create a more expressive, lively performance, while lower settings keep things tighter and more controlled. The Tempo drop-down lets you switch how the drummer interprets the project tempo. Choosing half time makes the groove feel slower and more spacious, while double time makes it play a faster, more energetic pattern without changing your actual project tempo. The Humanize knob adds small timing and velocity variations, making the groove feel more natural and less machine perfect.